Can a VPAT be used as a legal defense in an accessibility lawsuit? It can definitely help. A VPAT, or Voluntary Product Accessibility Template, serves as a kind of executive summary of your product's accessibility. It shows that you've evaluated your product against WCAG success criteria and, ideally, taken steps to address any gaps. While a VPAT alone doesn't guarantee legal protection, having one, especially a thorough and accurate one, is much better than having none at all. It demonstrates due diligence and effort toward accessibility. That said, a strong legal defense in an accessibility lawsuit involves more than just a VPAT. For example, having an accessibility statement on your website or app, a clear way for users to report barriers or request accommodations, and evidence of both automated and manual audits are all important. Ultimately, the most robust defense is a clean, well-documented accessibility effort, ideally including a VPAT that shows full support across the board. Accessible web. Web accessibility made simple. Explore our tools, services, and education offerings.